What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and I figured I've done so many skincare videos here on the channel, but I've never actually talked about the do's and the don'ts. And I get so many questions from you guys asking, Alex, what should I do with my skin? What are the mistakes that I'm making to get clear skin? So that is what today's video is all about. And if you're new here on the channel, like I said, my name is Alex and I love to talk about fashion, skincare, grooming, and so much more. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button below and join the YouTube family. Now, let's get started with today's video. The first don't is don't exfoliate more than 3 times a week. Now, I talk about exfoliating a lot here on the channel, right? And exfoliating is basically a method for clearing your skin, right? It helps removing those dead skin cells from your face. It also helps to open up your pores, allowing skincare products to be more effective. But it has it's almost like sand, right? Scrubs or exfoliants, they have these little sand particles in them and they scrub away all of those dead skin cells. But if you overdo it, you're actually scrubbing away new skin cells and it's bad for your skin. You're actually doing damage. So I would recommend you exfoliating twice a week. It feels amazing. It's for sure going to give you results, but 3 times a week or more, I would not do that. So that is your first don't of the day. So you have your don't, now let's go to a do. Do definitely use high quality products for your face. The skin on your face is one of the most obvious things, right? People are gonna see that every time they look at you. This is why it's so important for you to take care of it. This is why I talk about skincare so much here on the channel. And this is why I want you guys to establish a good skincare routine. Most men do not have a good skincare routine. They don't. And it's because, videos like these that now men are catching up. Women have been doing this for the longest time. Now we are finally catching up. But when you do, make sure that you are using high quality products. Don't put a bunch of chemicals on your face from brands that you've never heard of because that is unsafe and I would not recommend it. Next on the list, do not touch your face constantly. Why? Because these are dirty. I know you can wash your hands a lot, but they're still gonna be dirty because you know what? You touch your keyboard, for example, on your laptop, right? On your computer, your keyboard is probably dirty. You put your hands in your pocket, right? And who knows what you've had in that pocket? Gum, food, so many other things, right? Or you touch a handrail going up or down stairs, and those are obviously very dirty. So be careful with touching your face because you're transferring all of that dirt, all of that bacteria onto your face. Now going back to that skincare routine point I made earlier, men need to start having a consistent skincare routine. And if you don't have one yet, or if you're looking to upgrade, then Geology, today's video sponsor, has everything that you need to take you from not knowing anything about skin and not really understanding what kind of products to use to being a pro at it and solving all of the problems that you have for your skin. What do I mean with that? Geology is actually made uniquely for you. So basically, you go on their website, it's the first link below here, and you type in what your problems are with your skin. For example, I have oily skin sometimes. I get pimples. Sometimes I get dark circles if I don't sleep enough or for whatever reason. That's what you need to tell them. And then they will formulate a product for you. They will send you exactly what you need, the products that will solve those problems, which is amazing. So I really like what they've done here, right? Because all of a sudden you start to look at your skin and you're like, okay, what are the issues? Is it texture? Is it acne? Is it dark circles? Geology can help. Once you know the problems, they will have the solution for it, and that's what makes Geology so special. The first time I used Geology was 2 to 3 years ago, so I've been trying their products out for a long time. I really like their products, and they continue to launch new products, new and upgraded products, like their sunscreen for men, for example. And they have a huge sale happening right now. If you use the code ALEX70, that's gonna give you 70% off your first purchase. I mean, this is a 70% off. You don't really get 70% off anything, so this is an amazing sale. Thank you, Geology, for hooking me up, and you guys up with 70% off. So you can start with as little as $9, which is very affordable. This is not gonna last long. This code is exclusive for you guys. It's not gonna last a while. So make sure to go use it now. It's ALEX70 to get 70% off the Geology products. Thank you, Geology, for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for making amazing products and solving our problem. Another important don't. This is a big one. I've been talking a lot about this one lately because I really feel like it makes a big difference, and I've definitely noticed a difference. Make sure that you are washing your pillowcase at least once a week. This has happened before where I just forgot to wash my pillowcase for a while, and I started to notice, you know, pimples and acne, and that's because I do have an oily forehead and nose, like a T-zone here. So when I'm sleeping, all the oils, you know, the sweat, I mean, drool, so much, right, goes onto that pillowcase. And you might not see it, you might not look at it and see that it's dirty, but it's there. It's soaking up all of those oils, it's soaking up the drool, I mean, so much more. And then when you're sleeping at night, you're just rubbing your face on that, and that is not good. That's clearly going to give you pimples, acne, blackheads. So you need to make sure that you are washing your pillowcase, changing it up at least once a week. And if you sweat more, right, or whatever, make sure that you just change it up a little bit more often. I mean, you guys have to understand that these things are fluid, right? What I'm telling you here, hey, switch your pillowcase at least once a week. Don't wait a week if there's blood and drool and whatever else on your pillowcase, all right? Alex, you told me 1 week. No, dude, if it's dirty, just wash it. It's okay. I know it's only been 2 days. Wash your pillowcase. Trust me, your skin will thank you. And that's gross. Now let's talk about something that you should be doing, another do. You should wash your face every night, right? I wash my face every night and still, of course, change your pillow. But the reason why you should be washing your face every night is because you go through your whole day. You walk around, you sweat, right? Those dirt particles are all around us and they stick onto your face and they can clog your pores and they can cause breakouts, right? So at the end of the day, you should be just uncluttering your face from all of that dirt. Wash your face, make sure that you're good to go, and then go to bed. Now, does that mean that you don't have to wash your pillowcase every week or so? No, because you're still sweating at night and those oils are still coming out from your pores at night. So yes, wash your face, but still switch out your pillowcase. Now, the next one, and this is probably, you know, lately I've been thinking more and more that this is the most important skincare rule of them all. This is literally the most important one. Do not go outside without sunscreen ever, especially if you live in a place that is sunny, that is warm, that the sun is beaming down. Look, if you're wondering why you should use sunscreen every time you leave the house, I'm here to tell you why. Sunlight can have a really bad effect on your skin when it's too much. For example, in minor situations, you're gonna get a little sunburn, right? And then whatever, you think, oh, I just burned a little bit, I'm gonna get a tan. But there's also a lot of negative side effects from that. You can actually get permanent spots on your face, little brown dots that are never gonna go away unless you actually go to a dermatologist and get that taken care of. It's going to be imprinted onto your face forever. So make sure that you're wearing sunscreen. It also causes wrinkles to be more prominent. It can also, on a much higher scale, give you skin cancer. So this is not a joke. This is not something that is just like, I'm gonna skip it today. I'm telling you, sunscreen, 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 every time you go outdoors. The older I get, the more I pay attention to wear sunscreen, the more benefits I see from it. And trust me, as you get older as well, you're going to start noticing wrinkles and sun damage, and you're gonna think, hey, Alex told me to wear sunscreen and I didn't. I wish that I listened to him. Don't be that guy, start using it now. Geology makes an amazing sunscreen. It's matte, it looks really cool, the packaging, they've done an amazing job. So go check them out. It's the first link in the description below and use the code ALEX70 to get 70% off your purchase. Of course, guys, you can follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I've been posting a lot of reels and TikToks about New York City, just me walking around with different outfits. Hopefully you guys enjoy those. And of course, hit that subscribe button below if you want more of this type of content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.